Every space is an expression, and Greenlim Sturdo turns these expressions into statements. A product range supported by a robust 10-year warranty, with a heritage of excellence prioritizing eco-friendly practices, safety, ease of application, and swift installation. We are passionately committed to building eco-friendly and sustainable toilet cubicle partition solutions for various commercial and public areas. Durable, luxurious, and environment-friendly. With reduced installation time, 4 cubicles can easily be set up in a day. Since wet work is not involved, thus more tidiness is achieved. You have the leverage to choose from a variety of colors and patterns. Greenlim Sturdo offers diverse range of restroom cubicles, different solutions for different needs. This video emphasizes on the fuse and range. The fuse and range is minimalist in design, with crisp, sharp cuts and a newly introduced double setback bent foot that gives this luxury range a stylish and float-in-the-air appearance. To begin with, mark the walls for any adjustments required in compact panel at the site. Lay out materials on U-channel according to installation sequence. Mark positions for hinges now. Prepare for drilling holes in the compacts for all markings. Screw in all hardware into the fixed compact. Use leveling equipment to measure the bottom gap. Cut the U-channel for the intermediate divider and place it against the wall. Use plumb to align U-channel with the wall. Fix the U-channel in the wall with the help of screws. 6 mm is bit size, 6 mm is wall plug size, and screw sizes is 4.8 mm by 32 mm. Use the leveling machine to maintain equal levels for both U-channels. Set the intermediate divider in the fixed U-channel of the wall. Level and align the divider using plumb. Fix the divider from the sides with the help of screws. 3 mm is bit size and screw size are 3.5 mm by 13 mm. Repeat the procedure for corner divider installation. Use the leveling machine to maintain equal levels for U-channel of the end panel. Cut and fix U-channel in the wall. Install the end panel in the U-channel. Use plumb for end panel alignment. Fix the U-channel installed mid-panel on the intermediate divider with the help of screws. 3 mm is bit size, and screw sizes are 3.5 mm by 13 mm. Set the door in the mid-panels. Fix the doors in the hinges of mid-panel. 4 mm is bit size and screw size are 4.8 mm by 13 mm. Then fix the hinge cover. Install the top rail with the help of screws. 3 mm is the bit size. Screw size is 3.5 mm by 13 mm. Install 1 leg each for end panel and 2 for mid panel. Use press clamping machine to set and press the leg. For drilling through the floor, the bit size used is 6 mm, and the screw sizes are 4.8 mm by 32 mm. For drilling through the compact, the bit size used is 4 mm, and the screw sizes are 4.8 mm by 15 mm. Fix the F-channel in the end panel and corner divider with the help of screws. 3 mm is bit size, and screw sizes are 3.5 mm by 13 mm. F-channel is used to fix corner divider, along with the end panel. Install the end cap on the top rail. Install coat hook, screw size 3.5 mm by 13 mm. Install indicator lock. Fix the cover profile of all U-channel and F-channel. Then fix the noise-deafening tape. Ensure cubicle is fully installed and secure. Now let's dive into the benefits and features of the Fuse-In. Minimalistic, seamless exteriors complementing the space. Dual-color stylish fittings for class user experience. Wide range of variable ground clearance up to 150 millimeters. Door matching, laminated top rail for seamless exteriors. Talking about the specifications, divider panel, end panel, and mid panel are made of 12 millimeters thick compact laminates. Doors are 600 millimeters wide and 12 millimeters thick with smart dual finish indicators and slide bolts. Greenlum Sturdo, sharing impeccable solutions for every experience.